What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to connect your Android phone to a TV. So if you have an Android phone and specifically a Samsung phone, you can do so by Smart View. So let's swipe down to see the notifications here, swipe down again to see the quick commands, and you should see here an option for Smart View. Now, if you have a compatible device or a compatible smart TV, and your phone and your TV or your device should be both connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can tap on Smart View and it'll look for compatible devices, and once it does, they will be connected so that all that's on your phone screen will be projected on your TV so you can watch movies, photos, or project any apps. So like a screen mirroring for your Android phone on your TV screen.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.